In this video, CurbMonkey, a principal environment artist at Roblox, teaches you some advanced packages techniques. He'll cover how to get the most out of your packages with package attributes and scripts. This is the third of 3 Roblox Staff videos that talk about packages. The other 2 videos in the series, along with additional information and resources, can be found in the description.
Hey Roblox builders, CurbMonkey here. In the third video of the 3-part series on the packages system. This is video 3, Advanced Package Uses. And if you hadn't seen the first 2 videos on package basics and package workflows, I suggest checking those out. In this video, Advanced Package Uses, we will be going over adding variations to your package using scripts and attributes. These more advanced topics really show the power of the package system to allow you to get the most out of your assets. So let's jump right into package attributes, where we use scripting and attributes on the model group to get more variation out of one asset. So now I want to get into something called package attributes. Currently, I have a lamppost here, and the lights are on. But if I wanted to have a version of this with the lights off, I'd either have to make another package that has all the lights turned off, or I could come into this package and change things around, right? So I'd change this from neon to plastic, so I didn't get the glow. And you can see immediately it says, hey, you're entering a modified state. And I could continue this way. So I could come in and delete the beam. I could come in and remove the light source. But if I publish this, all my lampposts are going to go out because I'm making that the new default for the current version. Or I could leave this lamppost. If I only wanted one of them to be out, I could leave it like this and just know that it's no longer going to receive updates from the package itself because it's in a modified state. The other thing I could do is come in and just delete this link and have this be unlinked model group again. But that's going to get me in that situation where I have to go in and modify things at this particular placement on this particular lamppost. And I don't really want to do that. So the thing that package attributes can do is give you that variation without having to modify the actual object itself or package itself. So in this one, you can see I have a script. And this does take a little bit of script knowledge. ChatGPT and Roblox Assistant can help write these for you. But just wanted to show off a really easy and helpful way to make these kind of adjustments on your packages so that you can get larger variety out of their placements. So this is a super simple script. It basically is looking at the parent of the script, which is the lamppost model package, and it's getting an attribute. I added an attribute onto this package down in the properties panel. At the very bottom, there's attributes, and you can add a bunch of different type of attributes here. I added one that's just a Boolean, and I called it on, and you can see that that check mark is on. And basically what it does is the package at runtime will look at the parent, find the attribute, and do whatever that script is telling it to do. So it could change a color, it could delete an object, it could, in this case, when it's off, it will change the color of, or it will change the material from neon to plastic. It will disable the bulbs so you don't see them, and it will disable the light source so you don't see that. So just to show you, on this first placement, I have the on checkbox checked, and down here on the second one, you see that it's off. And we're not seeing any difference right now, and that's because we're in editor. But as soon as we go to run this experience, either in a published version or play here or run, you'll see that that lamppost will turn off. So you'll see the first lamppost is still on, projecting a light. It's got all of its effects. And this next one is off. So I'm getting a lot of variation, and I'm still only managing one asset. Normally, if you created a second asset to do this, now you have to manage two assets, and that starts ballooning what you have to keep track of. Just as another example, these cars here, this is all the same package, but I've used another attribute called paint color and a script within inside that package to allow me to have one asset that I can manage and get all the variation out of it. But again, super helpful to allow you to have one package that you're managing that does a bunch of different things. You know, we could change the paint color on this. We could hang some flower baskets off these hooks. We could put a bunch of different attributes in here that allow one asset to have a bunch of variations. And that's another really powerful aspect of the package system that I hope you can kind of get around and play with and start to understand, because as soon as you do, you're going to be unlocking the power of this system for yourself and saving you a ton of time.